Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're going to take a look at a piece of equipment that could elevate your massage practice or spa setup. The BestMassage Portable Massage Table. Whether you're a professional massage therapist, a beauty practitioner, or someone who just needs a reliable, comfortable bed for spa treatments, this could be the one for you. Let's break it down and see if this 28-inch wide, height-adjustable spa table with its sleek design and features really lives up to the expectations. The BestMassage Portable Massage Table is designed for comfort and durability. With a 2-inch thick sponge cushion, it promises a soft, comfortable experience for your clients. The high-quality beechwood construction, paired with reinforced hardwood corner blocks, provides superior strength. This means the table can support up to 450 pounds. Impressive for a portable model. One of the standout features is the luxurious PU leather cover. It's soft to the touch, easy to clean, and this is crucial. It doesn't have that chemical smell that many other synthetic materials tend to have. That makes it a much more pleasant option for clients who might be sensitive to strong odors. The height-adjustable feature is another key point of convenience. The table can be adjusted from 24 inches to 33 inches in height, making it suitable for a wide range of body types and giving the therapist flexibility to work at the ideal level. The adjustment is simple, using easy-to-turn knobs on each leg, allowing for quick customization to fit your needs. Now, if you're someone who's constantly on the go, this table could be a game changer. Weighing in at just around 30 pounds, it's light enough to move around easily. The inclusion of a durable carrying case with an adjustable shoulder strap and side pocket to store oils and other supplies means it's travel-friendly. It's perfect for beauticians or massage therapists who make house calls or work in different locations. Setting up the table couldn't be easier either. There are no tools required. Simply unfold the bed, and the legs fall into place automatically. This quick installation saves valuable time, which is especially important when you're managing multiple clients in a busy schedule. Pros: comfortable padding. The 2-inch thick sponge gives a cushioned, relaxing experience for clients. Strong construction supports up to 450 pounds, making it suitable for various body types. Height adjustment allows for customization between 24-inch to 33-inch for optimal ergonomic positioning. Lightweight and portable, easy to transport with a carrying case and weighing just 30 pounds. Easy setup, no tools needed, simply unfold and you're ready to go. Cons: limited padding thickness. While 2 inches of sponge is comfortable, those looking for ultra plush padding might find it a bit on the firmer side. Size restriction. At 28 inches wide, it's ideal for most clients, but larger individuals may prefer a wider table. Stability. Though the table can hold 450 pounds, users with heavier clients may need to ensure the table is securely positioned to prevent movement. Now, is this portable massage table worth its price? Given the materials used, high-quality beechwood, PU leather, and a sturdy design, the price seems reasonable, especially considering its durability and portability. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-move massage bed, this could be a great option. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other portable massage tables out there that might offer thicker padding or additional features. But for the price, this one offers a good balance of comfort, strength, and mobility. As for build quality and longevity, this table seems durable. But like any portable piece of equipment, it will wear down with frequent travel and heavy use. The quality of the materials gives it a solid foundation though, so you should get a good lifespan if treated properly. I didn't have any direct interaction with the brand's customer support, but based on the product's solid construction and ease of use, I'd say the company likely values quality customer service. Final verdict: this is a solid, portable massage table that's perfect for professionals who need a reliable, lightweight, and adjustable option for their treatments. If you're looking for a budget-friendly but durable massage bed, this is a great pick. It offers good value for the price, with only a few minor drawbacks in padding thickness and width. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And if you're ready to grab your own, the link to purchase can be found in the comments or description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.